So it's actually checking and making changes on the go. So this entire process will take about 3 to 4 minutes based on how complex or how easy the landing page is. We all have landed on some amazing websites and we might have felt, wish I could build something like this. And then you think of the coding hassle and we are back to square one. But what if there is an AI tool that lets you replicate any landing page UI? Welcome to day 150 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Today we are going to explore Same.dev, an AI tool that lets you replicate any website UI with just a link. So let's get started. So head over to same.new, click on sign up, continue with Google. Of course, in any of the platforms, if they allow you to register with your email ID and password, and if you want to do it that way, please feel free to. I'll click on continue and I am registered on the portal. Now what I'll do is I'll go to abcd.bit7.com and I want to copy this particular design, right? This is the landing page for our community. And by the way, if you have not joined our community, please do join our WhatsApp community where a lot of things keep happening every week. Coming back, I've copied the link and I'm going to paste that link over here, right? So we have an option of using auto, which it'll decide which one to use, like Claude 3.7 or GPT 4.1. By the way, both of them are the latest versions in the respective platforms. You can also add images and files from here so that it can use it in the website, which will be copied. So I'll just click on this button and replicate the design as we saw in abcd.bit7.com. Let's see what it builds for us. So as you can see, it has analyzed the website and it has given us some context. Website analysis. The ABCD community website has clean modern design with the following key sections: header, navigation, hero section, social proof, and all of that. And then it says design elements, color scheme. It has got some color, this thing, typography, and then visual elements, layout, and all. Plan to clone the website. It has given you what are the steps that it will follow to clone. And then we can say go ahead and clone it, right? And then I'll click on send. I'll start cloning. So you can see that the chat window has come here and it has actually started creating the code. And once the code is ready, we can actually see it visually. So if you go to app here, it will start showing on the front end once it is built. So let's wait for it. So you can see it has checked for client body.tsx file as well. I mean, all the files. And then it says, I'll need to modify the project's font settings to match the ones used on the website. Let's update the fonts in the layout file first, right? So it's actually checking and making changes on the go. So this entire process will take about 3 to 4 minutes based on how complex or how easy the landing page is. So we have to wait. Now you can see that it has started creating the hero section component and we should be able to see that anytime soon. If you actually go to the code window, you can see that code is getting written, right? You can see all the files that are generated over here, right? All the code. You can see what actually has happened behind the scenes. Let's go to the app because we are in the no code world. Okay, looks like it'll load all the sections after it has built the entire page. So we have nothing else to do than wait. So now as you can see, let's update the main page to include all of our components. So it built component by component and now it is building the main page, including all the components together. You can wait for it to become responsive or exit the page. Let's wait. And there you go. The page seems to be available. It's not completely replicated as we can see. You click on this particular button and it will open it in a new tab and you can see what we have, right? And what it has created. Okay, so explore, learn and grow with us. We have got a few members details added over here, right? Like this one. And then you've got access exclusive benefits and resources, right? Which is basically this one, right? The color and all it has got close, right? Become a part of the no code community today, which is over here, right? It has not copied exactly, but it has kind of cloned it to a certain extent, right? And we have also got the footer. It has used some random logo, and probably it does not use the same logo because of the copyrights, maybe. So do let us know in the comments below what do you think about this clone. Are you happy with it or not so happy? My take is it's okay, right? So you can actually chat with it and ask it to make any changes that you're looking for. So if you are a developer who needs a starting point, or a designer to recreate layout inspiration, or a student who wants to understand how things are structured, this tool is a game changer. Same.dev not only lets you replicate website UI, but also gives you full TypeScript and React code behind it, so you understand how it's actually built. Whether you are learning, prototyping, or just exploring, this tool lets you make it 10x faster. So try it out and do let us know which website did you try to replicate and what was the end result. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.